What letter do you know?
And
We have here A, B, C, D, E, F.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, we call that letters.
Letters.
That's right. How about the numbers? Can you say numbers?
Numbers.
Okay, what are the numbers here?
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6,
Number-
number
only
7,
number 5. Okay, we only got number 5. Okay, what do we call this again, Milo? What are these? These are these letters or numbers?
Letters.
Very good. What about this one? Are these letters or numbers?
Numbers.
Numbers. Very good. Okay, let's see our practice here. Wow. Oh, wow. Do you see the bee and the bug?
Yes.
Yes. What is the color of the bee?
Mommy, come out a lot.
Do you see the bee?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what is the color of the bug?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Well, let's try to drag the numbers to the yellow box. Okay.
Yeah.
And letters on the pink box. Can you write the numbers here? What
Yes.
number shall we write here? What is this? Number
1.
1. Okay. What's next to number 1? Can you write it here?
Number 1.
Oh, this is number 1. Okay. What's next to number 1?
Number 2.
Number 2. Can you find the number 2?
Here.
That's good. So we put the number 2 there. And then number, what's next to number 2?
Number 3.
Number 3. Yeah. Good
Number
job.
4.
And
Number 5.
Is this the yellow? Is this yellow?
Yes.
Are these yellow boxes?
Yes.
No, not yellow boxes. Only the yellow boxes. Where did we put number 4? Yes, very good. 4 and
Why?
5. That's right. Good job. Now let's put the letters on the pink boxes. What is the first one? A.
Number
Letter. Let's say letter.
Number B.
Letter
Number C. Number
Letter
D.
C. Letter D
Number
and
D. Number D.
letter.
Number
Letter.
F.
Letter E.
Number F.
No, that's not number. It's letter.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good. Well, good job.